And now I'm changing the shadow color into a more of a complementary color, sort of a blue-violet, which will show off the burnt sienna in the road as well as the yellows in the grass a lot better. Plus, it's a nice color, and that is important for aesthetic reasons. Now some impasto, which is more or less just white and lemon yellow, which I find makes a very nice highlight green color for grass. Of course, it's more yellow than green, but sun shining on the grass, it must look warm and therefore be considerably influenced by yellow paint. If I add too much blue to make a strong green, I'm actually cooling the color down too much, and I end up with a more middle value color. Now that's not what I want. I want a high key, or in other words, a light value on the sun-filled areas. Now just suggesting some tree shapes in the shadows there. I may not actually see them, but I want to suggest them. Now with a cool blue, I'm creating some interest in the trees on the left. And the shadow side of the trees, getting more indirect light, so you can see something there, but it's not very bright. It's more of the mystery of the shadow, and that's a very important part of my paintings. I think the shadows are the single most important element to make a light-filled painting. As counterintuitive as that may sound, you improve your light areas by improving your